I promise to be a dim. Someone.
Mammy? Oh, Mr. Omar, you could tobacco. Yeah.
Where did I want to walk? I didn't be what you know what can't share. What may I was some on to be to be from me.
Oh, baby.
Catch it, but once I'm so time.
We need to listen notes now. Where we talk now?
Mr. Teletubbies. Who is someone meeting an officer? A former master so.
As soon as it's no money, it's nothing.
Anyway, so what some for? Now, when you are calling a castle, if you have forgotten, and also whom me die, me, your friend Empress, the guilt Baba.
Huh? You give Bano.
I had no woman and Namana Wolfer Femino, and you begin to. We are just moving around, many my friend, no, and I make a pass over big here. It's when your chance to come for some chips. Okay.
Amen.
Well, let's tell you where the pepper. Huh? Check back, Nancy. Go. Maybe my friend, but me say, when you see what you know who am I?
So, what can some me get ban on Miss Me, my feel you. You know, a Jamai. You can acquire my Jamaica, the bread, the cook with the idea. Do as a little funny big gate, you know, I'm feeling you. I'm feeling
first. Young quiet.
Oh, Jamai,
God. I didn't have such a what? When you didn't make any, and I'm a ball. Oh, mammy, or a Garini in Catalasi. We fear that she wants to kill blue. I want a minute friend near dog.
I want to that.
She quiet some more. Maybe nothing in a chapeau call. And we don't want if I'm sing good food, a big come no. My friend didn't know when I ended you. Empress, listen to your call. Empress, maybe I couldn't. Oh, take your time.
Take it away.
You know.
Hey, Jai. Eh, we are also bad. Yes, I could that.
I'm so fear.
Let me fear, me must fear. Me very clean, and I see a corner upon a woman to find a man to cook. I will put chances. Let me tell you, as I may say,
oh my God! Abate, my cousin will show. Eh? Shana me chemu ha. What's no one sa Edward movie? And no 72 now every day. My man can show. A secret is between you and I. Eh? Me no wash a pair. Come on, me no wash a pair. It's not make a choice. That's what they tell us. You see, keep your mouth shut. I'm sorry.